In the world of kitchen gadgets, finding a tool that is versatile, durable, and easy to use can feel like striking gold. This Farberware professional heat-resistant nylon meat and potato masher is one such gem. Designed to handle a variety of tasks, this 10-inch black utensil isn't just a one-trick pony. It's a multifunctional powerhouse that can simplify your cooking process, save you time, and make meal prep more enjoyable. In this comprehensive review, we'll dive into the features, benefits, and potential drawbacks of this kitchen essential. Whether you're an experienced chef or someone who just loves to cook at home, this tool might be the perfect addition to your kitchen arsenal. One of the first things you'll notice about the Farberware meat and potato masher is its sturdy build. Made from high-quality, BPA-free nylon, this tool is designed to withstand the rigors of daily kitchen use. The nylon material is not only strong but also heat-resistant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making it safe to use with hot foods without worrying about melting or warping. The masher's design is simple yet effective. It features a 5-blade head that's ideal for both mashing and chopping. The blades are angled, which allows you to easily scrape the sides of bowls and pots while mixing and mashing. This design ensures that you're able to achieve the desired consistency quickly, whether you're mashing potatoes, soft vegetables, or breaking up ground meat. The handle of the masher is comfortable to grip, offering a secure hold even when your hands are wet or greasy. Its 10-inch length is just right, giving you enough leverage to apply the necessary pressure without straining your hand or wrist. The sleek black finish not only looks great, but also resists staining, ensuring that the masher will continue to look good even after repeated use. What sets the Farberware meat and potato masher apart from other similar tools on the market is its versatility. While it's marketed primarily as a meat and potato masher, it can handle a variety of other tasks with ease. Meat chopper. This tool excels at breaking up ground meat, such as beef or turkey, as it cooks. The 5-blade design allows you to chop and stir the meat simultaneously, ensuring even cooking and preventing large clumps from forming. This is particularly useful when making dishes like chili, spaghetti sauce, or tacos, where you want the meat to be finely chopped and evenly distributed throughout the dish. 2. Potato masher. As the name suggests, this tool is perfect for mashing potatoes. Whether you prefer your mashed potatoes smooth and creamy or with a bit of texture, the Farberware masher can help you achieve the perfect consistency. But it doesn't stop at potatoes. You can also use it to mash other soft-cooked foods like yams, squash, bananas, or even cooked apples for homemade applesauce. 3. Fruit juice concentrates and frozen fruit. The masher's sturdy blades are also great for breaking down fruit juice concentrates or frozen fruit. This can be particularly handy when making smoothies or preparing fruit for sauces and spreads. 4. Sauces and spreads. The angled blades make it easy to stir and mix sauces, ensuring that all ingredients are well incorporated. This is especially useful when making thick, chunky sauces where you want to break down larger pieces of vegetables or meat. One of the standout features of the Farberware meat and potato masher is its heat resistance. The nylon material is safe to use up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which means you can confidently use it with hot foods without worrying about damaging the tool or your cookware. This heat resistance makes it ideal for tasks like cooking ground meat directly in the pan, mashing hot potatoes, or stirring a simmering sauce. The masher is also safe to use with all types of cookware, including nonstick and coated pans. The nylon blades won't scratch or damage your pots and pans, which is a common concern with metal utensils. This makes it a great choice for home cooks who want to protect their investment in high-quality cookware. The Farberware meat and potato masher is incredibly easy to use, even for those who aren't particularly confident in the kitchen. To mash food, simply press the blades into the cooked food and apply pressure until you reach your desired consistency. The angled design of the blades makes it easy to reach into corners and scrape the sides of bowls and pots, ensuring that nothing is left unmixed. When it comes to chopping meat, the process is just as straightforward. As the meat cooks, Use the masher to break it apart by pressing down and twisting slightly. The 5-blade design makes quick work of even large quantities of ground meat, so you can prepare meals faster and with less effort. The masher is also dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. Simply place it in the dishwasher along with your other dishes, and it will come out clean and ready to use again. If you prefer to wash by hand, the smooth surface of the masher is easy to clean with just a bit of soap and water. So, what makes the Farberware meat and potato masher stand out in a crowded market of kitchen tools? There are several reasons why this tool has become a favorite among home cooks. 1. Versatility. This masher isn't just for potatoes. It's a multifunctional tool that can handle a variety of kitchen tasks, from chopping meat to mashing vegetables and fruits. 2. Durability. Made from high-quality BPA-free nylon, this masher is built to last. Its heat resistance ensures that it will hold up even when used with hot foods, and its sturdy construction means it won't bend or break under pressure. 3. Ease of use. The masher's design is simple and intuitive, making it easy to use even for those who aren't experienced cooks. Its dishwasher-safe construction also makes cleanup a breeze. 4. Safety. The nylon material is safe to use with all types of cookware, including nonstick and coated pans. You can use it without worrying about damaging your pots and pans. 5. Affordable. Despite its high quality and versatility, the Farberware meat and potato masher is affordable, making it a great value for anyone looking to add a versatile tool to their kitchen. In conclusion, the Farberware Professional Heat-Resistant Nylon Meat and Potato Masher is a must-have tool for anyone who spends time in the kitchen. Its versatility, durability, and ease of use make it a standout option in a sea of kitchen gadgets. Whether you're mashing potatoes, breaking up ground meat, or mixing a sauce, this tool will make the task quicker and easier. For home cooks who value quality and efficiency, the Farberware masher is a smart investment. It's a tool that you'll find yourself reaching for again and again, whether you're preparing a simple weeknight dinner or cooking for a special occasion. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.